Turning your engine, A14XER. Turning good, all compressions complete. The front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage, no broken. Compressor looks good, no damage, all nice. On this side, engines looks good, as you can see. All windows looks good, no damage, no water, all nice. Gearbox look as well. And on this side, engines looks good. Altimeter look as well, as you can see. Socket looks good, in good conditions, no damage. On the top, plastic looks good, no damage, no broken, all nice. All connectors looks good, no damage. And on the bottom, as you can see, no cracks, no leaks, no damage, all nice, all good. And turning your engine, AJ401.